On your left. They're closing. Hopper, light the candle.
Copy that. Launching white phosphorus.
Oh my god. Jesus, it's Helen burning.
Oh shit! Misfire! Misfire!
Shit, it's coming right at us! Off the roof! Now! Get up! We gotta head to the tower! Follow me! Run!
Jacob! Brianna! Can you hear me?
Right! Move!
Where did that second round land? Guy! Can you hear me?
Ah!
Is everything okay? Somebody, please say something! I'm sorry! I'm so sorry!
Up in the tower! Go!
It jammed! It was an accident! Your accident nearly got us killed! Hold on to something!